Hi, since we're on the topic of debug messengers and similar, I will now show you how to get messages from the Glfw library as well. Here in the Glfw initialization, we can add this Glfw error callback function. It will take an error code and a string message. We can then log an error with that message. And I have to include speed log as well. And here, before calling glfw init, we can call this function called setErrorCallback, and we pass our error callback to it. And the project builds and runs correctly. Now we will make a mistake on purpose by commenting out this init call. Without it, we will later try to create a window, but it will not work. So when I run the project, you will see here our speed log messages. Now I will correct my mistake and finish with the debugging lessons.